Hello students, good morning, class 8th. And for 8th class today, we will take a new topic for you, my dear students. And the topic is preposition. Class 8th, the students who belong to English medium school CBSE, RBSE, and wherever they study, you will have to study preposition, an important topic in English grammar. Without this topic, a sentence is like a dead sentence. Without preposition, we cannot understand what the writer or the speaker wants to say. Preposition is a word made of two words, pre and position. Means a word that is placed before a noun or pronoun. Before. Pre means before and position means place, where we write the preposition, where we write the word that is position. Okay, first of all we will discuss about the definition of preposition. A word that is placed before noun or pronoun and tells relation between another noun, or pronoun called preposition. Okay, dear students, we will discuss a little in Hindi. Preposition एक शब्द होता है जो दो शब्दों से मिलकर बना है. प्री माने पूर्व और पोजीशन माने होता है स्थिति या अवस्था. ऐसे शब्द जो किसी वाक्य में संज्ञा या सर्वनाम से पहले आते हैं और उस वाक्य में दी गई संज्ञा या सर्वनाम से उसका संबंध बतलाते हैं, ये क्या कहलाते हैं? प्रीपोजिशन कहलाते हैं. ओके डियर स्टूडेंट्स, अब यहाँ थोड़ा सा बात करेंगे डेफिनेशन के बारे में. ए वर्ड एक शब्द दैट इज प्लेस्ड जो रखा जाता है बिफोर नाउन और प्रोनाउन किसी संज्ञा या सर्वनाम से पहले, एंड टेल्स और बताता है, रिलेशन माने संबंध, बिटवीन अनदर नाउन और प्रोनाउन दूसरी संज्ञा या सर्वनाम के बीच में, या विद अनदर नाउन और प्रोनाउन दूसरे संज्ञा सर्वनाम के साथ, कॉल्ड प्रपोजिशन, उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? प्रपोजिशन कहते हैं. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ वी विल टॉक इन इंग्लिश एंड फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल स्टडी यूज ऑफ by. It is your preposition by. By is always used as a mediator, as an agent. So You will write the usage of by. The first use of by is as an agent. As an agent. Second use is before a vehicle. As through. Through is also a preposition. If you do not want to use through preposition, then you can use by. Means to say, passing through a place, you will use by. Means the medium of passing. The medium of passing. I can see through my glasses means I can see by my glasses. Okay? You are studying sitting at your home through your mobile, through YouTube channel. This is the medium. This is the medium. And to express medium, we use by. Before any vehicle, we use by. Before payment method. Before payment method means you pay someone some rupees or check or cash. What is the method or what is the way to pay some rupees? You pay by check, you pay by cash, you pay by demand draft. It is the medium of payment. It is the medium of payment. Number 5. In future perfect tense, before time. In future perfect tense, before time, we use by. Dear students, these are some uses of by. These are some uses of by. Okay? Here we will discuss examples. But my dear students, you will study here some more prepositions on. This is the piece of chalk. And the piece of chalk is lying on my hand. The piece of chalk and my hand touching with each other. If there is a person or a thing, there is a person or thing on another person or another thing in touching position, then you will use on preposition. If there is a thing or a person over or above the another thing or a person in touching position, then you will use on. And without touching position, you will use over. And this way, this is the piece of chalk. It is above my hand. You will use above. But in vertical, you will use over. But in touching position, you will use on. You have to mind it, my dear students. There are three prepositions: on, over, above. We will discuss about these prepositions in next day class. Okay, but here we will discuss about by preposition. Agent. Agent means Sanskrit. Sorry for the Ramayana was composed by Valmiki. Who is the writer of the Ramayana? Who is the writer of the Ramayana? Valmiki was the writer of the Ramayana. So, in first rule, agent. Who is the agent? Here, agent is Valmiki. And before Valmiki, we use by preposition as the Ramayana was composed by Valmiki. By preposition here indicates agent. The first example. Second example, before a vehicle, I went to Agra by bus, by train, by car, by taxi, by air, by water, by road. You can use any. And before vehicle we have used here by. As through payment method, he gave me the money by check, by check, by check, by cash, by demand draft. Okay, these are your some examples of by. In next class we will discuss some other prepositions, about some other prepositions. You have to copy the sentences from the blackboard. I hope, I wish you are getting all these type of sentences and rules and these topics here through your YouTube channel. Okay, dear students, with these words I finish my class here. Thank you.